How to do a boomerang on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can do a boomerang on Instagram. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. In order to do a boomerang on Instagram, now this is possible on both Android and iPhone because this is a fairly new feature that Instagram has released. To do such boomerang, you want to open up the Instagram application and we're going to go about uploading a normal story. When we do that, we can find this infinity loop icon that says boomerang on the left hand side. So just tap on this little icon. Now you can just take a boomerang. So it has to be very quick. You cannot take a longer video, but we can just go ahead and long press like this. And we can see once we do that, it will start a boomerang. So it will go back and come back, go back and come back, and the boomerang has started. And this way you can do a boomerang on Instagram. It's fairly simple. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.